So I am also doing about blogging. So I need to show and explain detail about the blogging. So hope you like this video. Watch till end, subscribe and share. Here we go. See, come on, let's see a blog, a regular update website or a web page, typically one run by an individual or small group that is written in an informal conversation or style. A new material to a regularly updated blog. A blog isn't just an article where you keep on writing like a headline and full body of language, and you can just post each and every day. Come on, let's see about a new and free blog you can create. When you log into your Gmail, you have to click on your Google Apps. In Google Apps, you have to scroll down. Sorry, one second. When you scroll down, you can find this blogger. When you click on this blogger, you will get connected to here and to create your beautiful blog, and it's almost free. But one condition in this that they will give you a domain name also, and let me explain you what is domain. See, what is domain? Domain names are used to identify one or more IP addresses. For example, the domain name Microsoft.com represent about a dozens IP addresses. Domain names are used in URLs to identify particular web pages. For example, in the URL www.pcwikipedia.com.indexhtml. See, this is the domain name pcwikipedia.com. This we call domain name, and back of that there will be an IP address which will search. And don't think about IP address, think about this domain name. This is what the main thing. .com, .in, .organization. You have seen many things like facebook.com. So that is called domain name. We need to purchase because that is an address for your website. Okay, it's all like a real estate where you can purchase a land, and when you purchase a land you will get an address of that location. So that how have to purchase a domain to get that address to reach out your site. And let's talk about hosting. Hosting mean by web hosting is service that allows organizations or individuals, for group of organizations or an individual, to post a website or web page onto the internet. Their computer will be then connect to your server, and your web pages will be delivered them through browser. Most hosting companies require that you own your domain in order to host with them. So first you have to purchase your domain as an address, what I said. And hosting is like a storage data where you can't store many of your files or any things, and you get many tools, accessories to make something your website incredible. And you got it that hosting is like a storage device when your user or you upload your photos, images and many things, and it will be hosted in the hosting server, and it will redirect to your web browsers. Okay, and let's see what is free. Okay, publish your passions your way. Blog, I got it that you know that what is blog. See, you can see that samples over here. You can see you can get a free domain over here, and if you scroll down you can earn money when your blog is getting enough traffic, and the Google AdSense automatically adds their place their ads on your blog post, and you can reach out your audience through globally. So this is the best feature. If you purchase your domain name you can host through Blogger also. But what's this means, Blogger don't have any many restrictions like they have limited storage devices, and they will give you limited storage capacity to store your files or anything. So if you go for hosting separately, I recommend you to join for Hostinger and or Bluehost. This is the best hosting platform all over the world. And to purchase domain name you can go with GoDaddy or any another website. And let's talk about this WordPress. And WordPress, I told you about the blogger, and let's talk about this WordPress. WordPress is a simple thing, like it's an CMS. See, let's think, what is WordPress and how does it work? See, simply put, WordPress is a web publishing software you can use to create your own website or blog. Since it was released in 2003, WordPress has become one of the most popular web publishing platforms, and today it powers more than 35% of the entire web, everything from hobby blogs to some of the most popular websites. And you know, when you see your blogger, there is limited access where you can create with their custom themes. But in WordPress there are many features, like whatever you are thinking to create a website, and whatever your the dream that your website being show interactive to work over here. So I recommend you to go for WordPress. If you purchase any domain name or hosting, automatically you will get WordPress for free, and WordPress is the best tool. So let me show you about my website, which I was also created by WordPress. See, this is a page created by WordPress. See, all I designed with these themes, and this is the store font, shop theme, and you can shop here all of my online courses over here. See, you can share also to the social media. This all things all came from WordPress. And even you can see over here, this is the messenger, and this all things came from WordPress. Let me take you to the WordPress dashboard. WordPress dashboard give you to login and login ID and password. And WordPress is next level, and you don't need of any knowledge of coding or anything. It's like almost simple to learn and implement, execute, and you will have your own website within some minutes. And I hope WordPress is a good platform where you can make I think yeah, it's coming. See, when you purchase WordPress, and you will get all these kinds of this stuff. Say this is ultimate member, where they become member of my site. And see, this is the dashboard, and you'll see my site dashboard, Jetpack. This some of these are like plugins. Plugins play a best role, and plugins means like a small tiny software which play a best role. Like I have showed you that ultimate member, this is a plugin that user become member, login and log out. This small plugin plays to help me to become a member of my site. See, you can see you'll get latest updates, and you need to update. And you can see the dashboards, comments, recent comments, and the stats of from Jetpack. And it's so simple that you can customize your WordPress with so easily, and you can host your WordPress website. I hope you like this blogging video. I hope you understand what is blog. Blog is nothing but a journal. See, you can check out my blog post, and this is a website. In website I have created a blog post. Blog post is nothing but writing a content, writing an valuable content where it reaches to global audience. Someone may help from through your content, and the earning is secondary, and you have to create your content. See, I have created a guest post on my blog, and Girish Arya, he is one of my member of my site, and he's wrote on about what is TDS. See, when they log into my site, and they'll get some points also. She had added the image. She had explained in detail what is TDS and how it works and all these things. So someone who want to know about TDS, they will know. And see, this was written by me. Create awesome graphic design from Canva app. I told about the Canva app, and I made the video also. You can watch out over here. This is the YouTube video. And see, I have written more blogs. See, this was written by Surya, one of my member of my site, and he wrote about 7 hacks. And you can see feminism, good or bad. This was also one of my member, Harold Rachel. And you can see more blog post over here. You can write new blog post on my site also as a guest post. And if you are interested or passionate about writing or giving an educational content, so you can log into my site, become member, and create new blog post, and you can earn with us for being interactive on the site. And if you want to get your own thing, you can go for your Blogger or WordPress. I recommend you to start your new journey as a blogger. So you must be passionate about writing and sharing the content to the people. So this would make better. Okay, hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. I hope this session was good. Thank you.